Hello students, are you ready for this today's session? Yes, hope you all are watched the part 1 for the chapter 2 number system. Yes, if you not watched the before session, please go watch and then you can start with this session. Okay, let's start our today's session. We have some recapitulation for before session. All of you ready? Number system. A number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities. We have seen 4 types in number system. What is the first type? S. The first type in decimal number system that have its base value as 10 and the 10 different digits, that is from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 8, 7 with the base value 10. This is the example for decimal number system. Now, the second type. Can you guess the second type of a number system? Yes, very good. It is the binary number system. What is the base value for binary number system? Yes, it is 2. The 2 different digits are 0 and 1. The example for binary number system is 0, 1, 0 with the base value 2. Very good. Now, the third type of the number system is octal. Octal number system. Octal have its base value is 8. Very good. So totally 8 different numbers. That is from 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7, 2, 3 with the base value 8 is the octal number system example. Now, the last type which we see is hexadecimal number system, and it has its base value as 16. So, totally 16 numbers we have in hexadecimal number system. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, B, C, D, E, F. 2E3 with the base value 16 is the example for hexadecimal number system. That's all for this recapitulation. Now all of you ready for today's session? Let's move. S. In today's session, we are going to see the homework sum, that is the decimal number to binary number system. And today's new concept is conversion of binary number to decimal number system. All of you remember the homework sum? Shall we do now? Yes, very good. What is our first question? The homework sum, first question will be the decimal number 16. We have to find the binary number for the 16. First, we have to divide 16 with 16 divided by 2. How many times you get 16 in 2 tables? Yes, 8 times we get 16. Our remainder will be 0. Now, again we have to divide 8 by 2. How many times you get 8? 4 times. Yes, very good. 2 into 4 we get 8. Our remainder will be 0. Now we have to divide 4. 2 into 2 we get 4. Now also we have the remainder 0. Again we have to divide 2. 2 into 1 we get 2. So our remainder will be 0. Now we have the dividend as 1. But the rule is we have to divide until the dividend will be 0. So again we have to divide with 2. So now 2 into 0 time we get 0. So our remainder will be 1. This is our most significant bit, that is MSB, and this is our least significant bit, the first remainder. We have to arrange from MSB to LSB. The value for 16 is, now arrange 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the final answer for first homework sum. Check with your homework note. If you done any mistake, kindly change it. Okay. Shall we move to the next sum? Yes. The second question is the decimal number 75. We have to find the binary value for 75. Now we are going to divide 75 by 2. How many times you get 75? Is 37. 2 into 37 we get 74. Our remainder will be 1. Now again we have to divide 37 by 2. How many times we get 37? 18 times. 2 into 18 we get 36. Now the remainder will be 1. Again we have to divide 18. How many times we get? 9 times. 2 into 9 we get 18. Now the remainder will be 0. Now again we have to divide 9 by 2. 2 into 4 we get 8. Now our remainder will be 1. Again we have to divide 4. 2 into 2 we get 4. Our remainder will be 0. Now again we have to divide 2. How many times you get 2? 1 times. So 2 into 1 we get 2. Now we have to divide the 1 with 2. 2 into 0 times we get the answer 0. So our remainder will be 1. This is the most significant bit, and the first remainder will be the least significant bit. We have to arrange from most significant bit to least significant bit. The answer for the decimal number 75 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is our binary value for 75 decimal number. Yes? Let's check with your homework note whether you did it correct or not. If any mistakes, kindly change it in your homework page. Today's concept we are going to see about conversion of binary number to decimal number. We have 4 important steps here. The first step will be place the binary digits from right hand side to the left hand side. And the second step is write the corresponding powers of 2. Powers that is from right hand side to left hand side, that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 3, like that we have to give the corresponding powers of 2 from right hand side below each binary digits. And the third step is multiply each digit of the binary number starting from the right hand side towards left with the value of corresponding power of 2. We have to find the value of power 2. Now the last step is add all the values to get the number in the decimal system. Note down the 4 important steps in your classwork, then only you can understand. Follow these 4 steps to convert the binary number to decimal number. Now we are going to do one sum. Yes, see, we have to convert binary to decimal number system. Our first question will be 110101. This is the binary number. We have to convert it for decimal number system. Take your classwork and do with me. Kindly watch the video and do along with me. Now we are going to convert the binary to decimal number. The first question is binary value 110101. We have to find the decimal number. So what is our first step? We have to arrange the binary value from right hand side to left hand side. Hope you all of them know which is the right hand side and the left hand side is arranged from right hand side to left hand side. So 1 0 1 0 1 1. This is our binary number. Now the second step is we have to add the powers for 2, that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, like that we have to arrange from right hand side. This is the 2 power 0 place, this is 2 power 1, this is 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4 and 2 power 5. This is our powers. Now the third step is we have to find the value for the powers. So we are going to multiply. If the number that have 0 as its power, we get 1 is our answer. Any number it have its power as 0, we get 1. Now 2 to the power 1, so 2 into 1 we get 2. Now here we have 2 into the power 2. So we have to multiply 2 into 2. What we get? 2 into 2 is 4. Now 2 to the power 3. So 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 we get 4. 4 into 2 we get 8. Now 2 to the power 4. So we have to multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times you have to multiply. If 5, we have to add another 2 here. Like that we have to multiply. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, we get 16. Now here 5. So now we are going to multiply 5 times the 2. 2, 2, 2, 4th time and 5th time. 2 into 2, 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 into 2 we get 13, 32. Yes, very good. 2 to the power 5 we get 32. These are the values, that is the step 3. Now we have to multiply the value with the binary number. If you multiply 1 into 1, we get 1. 2 into 0, we get 0. 4 into 1, we get 4. The next 8 into 0, we get 0. 16 into 1, we get 16. 32 into 1, we get 32. Now, the same step, we are going to write it elaborately. So, you also write like this. For your understand, I am explained here. Now, the same step, that is value into binary, we are going to write it as step. You also have to write like that. For your understand, I am write it here, and now we are going to write it in the step, that is, we have the binary. The first value is 1 into 32 plus 1 into 16 plus 0 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. These first numbers are the binary numbers and the second numbers are the values which we get from the powers. This is the third step. Now we are going to add all these numbers, that is the fourth step. 32 into 1 we get 32. 1 into 16 we get 16. 0 into 8 we get 0. 4, 1 into 4 we get 4. 0 into 2 we get 0. And 1 into 1 we get 1. Now we are going to add all these numbers to get our decimal number. 32 plus 16 we get 48. 48 plus 0, 52. 52 plus 1, 53. This is our decimal value. The binary value 110101, which gives the decimal value 53. Yes, this is the answer. We have solved the question 1. All of you understand? If you not, kindly watch the video again. Let's move to the second question. S. What is the second question? It has its binary value 10111000. This is the binary value. We have to find the decimal number for this binary value. First step, we have to write from right hand side to left hand side. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. The second step, this is the binary number, and the second step is we have to add power to binary number. The first will be 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. This is our powers. Now we are going to find the value for power. 2 power 0. Anything that power 0 will be, the answer is 1. Now 2 to the power 1, we get the answer same 2. Next will be the power 2. So 2 into 2 we get 4. Now we have the power as 3. So we have to multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, we get 8. Here we have the power as 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Now the power as 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are, we get 32. Very good. Now we have the power as 6. So we have to multiply 6 times. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Now we have find the values for power. The third step is we have to multiply the value and binary number. So 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, we get 4. 8 into 1 we get 8. 16 into 1 we get 16. 32 into 0, 0. 64 into 1 we get 64. This is the third step, that is value into binary. Now the fourth step will be, we are going to add these values. For the clear explanation, I am going to write it again the same third step, that is value into binary in different way. Don't confuse. I am going to do the same third step, this step, that is value into binary. One into 64 plus 0 into 32 plus 1 into 16 plus 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1. 1 into 64, that is 64 plus 32 into 0 we get 0 plus 16 into 1 we get 16. 1 into 8 we get 8. 1 into 4 we get 4. 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Now we are going to add this number. This is our fourth step. 64 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4. The remaining will be the 0. So this gives us the answer 92. 92 is the decimal number. For the binary number 101110 binary number, it gives a decimal number 92. Hope you all are understand the conversion of binary number to decimal number. Kindly call